Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. And I am still having so much fun from the Meet Me in St. Louis Dolls show that was, what, 2 weeks ago now? Wow, time has flown. I got gifts and gifts and gifts, and there were 9 channels represented at, at the event, 9 YouTube channels, 10 actually. Irene Huff was there, but she did not stay. She came for the show, and we all got to meet her. But she did not stay. She had to go back. We did get to meet her daughter and her daughter's boyfriend. Lovely people, everyone. But I wanted to show you some gifts that I was given by other channels, and I cannot thank them enough. I'm just overwhelmed at the generosity and kindness and thoughtfulness that each channel brought to the meet and greet. Let's start with Ayla. Ayla Avar stepped in when something was needed and took care of it. She and her husband Ron, who is a gem. Darren and I just really liked Ron. We like couples that support one another, and they certainly do. Jamie had the wonderful idea of making a t-shirt that said First Annual Dolly Meetup. I love that because I want this to continue. I hope we meet again next year. Ayla stepped up with her husband when we couldn't get t-shirts printed and made these on their, I don't know, Cricut or something. I don't know how, but they made them on their printer. And then she made little bitty ones for each of the dolls. How cool is that? We all took a t-shirt. Mine's not on yet because you have to do the iron a certain way. And when I get to that point, I'm going to have to get back in touch with Ayla to find out exactly what to do. But I have mine and I want mine. Doll Joylissa. I can't even see this little bag. Wait till you see what all is in here. Unreal. I thought it was just one little something. Oh my God. Look what Doll Joylissa has in here. Now I'm checking. Yep, still more. Look at that. First of all, a horse that these are very collectible. I don't say the word. Oh, no, these are not Schlig. These are Blip. Oh, okay. This is new to me, but very much like the others. I love this. I love buckskins, and I have a collection of, Darren and I have actual horses, have had horses. Most of the time we've been together. And I also collect horse figures, so that was real fun. Inside here is this little bottle. How cute is that? Some little glasses, some stickers, all kinds of stuff. Now, I don't do scrapbooking now. I used to do scrapbooking. Oh, here's a little hair clip. How cute. Stickers galore. God love her. How fun is all this? Look at this. That is really cool. And this is actually like, oh no, I thought it was actual fern. It looks so real. I thought it was fern. It is on plastic. But she has a Doll Joylissa sticker. Love that. These are just so cute. Oh, that's really pretty. And then there's all kinds in here. It's just so fun. Lissa loves bees. She and Mel both. I made them special outfits with a bee print for their dolls. Oh, these are really pretty. And more Doll Joylissa. Very cool. And look at this. This is so cool. A Christmas ornament. Puerto Rico, where she lives. She was raised there and has recently moved back. So I have a Puerto Rico ornament. You know, I had to put one of those Doll Joylissa. It's a little big. I wonder if I could cut that Doll Joylissa out and put it right here. That would really be cool. I'm going to look at doing that. And she brought me a pattern for midi Blythe. Oh, wait. No, that's not midi. That's a regular size Blythe. How cute is that? Cool, cool, cool. And that's not even all. I think she brought everybody one of these. She's so generous and so kind, and she is, like you see on her channel, she's a joy. But I am excited to open this. I waited to do it on camera. I love these boxes. I've said before, while they may not be the same kind that Beth Ramson makes, I love hers. If you've never seen them, you should go to her channel. She makes shoes and the boxes she puts them in. How cute. Purple with wings. Oh, Lissa, thank you. Thank you. How cute. I think I'll tie these when I try them on the dolls. It's kind of a cord, a plasticky cord. Actually a keychain or ornament, but we of course use them for dolls. Thank you so much, Lissa. That is so fun. Oh, I wasn't done telling you what Ayla Avar gave me. She also gave me tons of, seriously, I should say pounds of dog food and dog treats, and my little dogs are loving them. It's that soft packet food, so those have been used as treats at our house. And this is so cool. Let me move this out of the way carefully. Watch those little glasses. This girl's going to take a special stand, so her stand is not ready. Darren's was getting ready for the show, but Ayla brought me a ring from one of her blind bags. I think mini brand, but I'm not positive which. I had asked her if she wanted to do a trade. I have heard that this little ring fits on the 24-inch of my ring. Let's see. Let's shove that on. Her fingers are stopping it. You know what? You know what we say at our house? Good enough. Oh, come on, turn a little bit. Oh my, that's some kind of bling. Let me see, let's try a different finger. No, that's a little big there. I'd be worried about that. So maybe here. Maybe I can slide those up between those fingers easier. She's wearing it. She is wearing it. Oh my, that is, look at the bling in that thing. Can you see that, the shine going on and the bling going on? I hope the camera's picking that up. Move your hand around like a rich girl. Let's try a thumb. No, I like it here. I got a little rich ring. Thank you very much, Ayla. I'm going to keep working that, see if I can work that hand so that it holds it a little better without breaking one of my poor old fingernails. Turn it a little more. Just a little more. Oh, I like it. Oh, look at that. Yes. And it was on this. I don't know if Ayla did that or if it came like that, but I like it. In this little ring box. Look at that. It even fits right there. So cute. I bought her some earrings, and I wanted to get them out. I got these at AliExpress. I wanted to get them out and try them on her. And I thought, well, how the heck does that open? Look how nice these are. I paid like $1 something for these. Well, watch me break it on camera now. When I pulled this, there you go. Break open on a hoop. Used to be this was just like in there and you pulled it and twisted it and then twisted it back in. That's really nice, cute. I'm gonna put those on her. We took, oh, this is the one. Jamie brought these beads for each person, not just beads. There's also, let me pull this out. Also a little sticker and a little poem and a brush for like when you take your doll on photo shoot-ups.
Going gangster.
Photo shoots. Here's the little purse or something cute. And a little shell. How cute is that? Anyway, these beads, I'll let her explain.
Tell me about the beads.
Yeah.
All right, so these beads are, it says Trade a bead with a friend to remember the time you spent with them. I made that up.
So she gave everybody a bag of beads. Each person got one color or general color, and then
general color.
We're all trading beads.
And then you got slack beads. Slack beads mean you can trade with a friend. Because if you say you wanted just this color and you don't want to put other colors, you have slack beads to trade with somebody. Because it takes about 11 beads to fill a Blythe chain with this scale bead.
Cool. And then we got here's my move your hand. Oh, here's my little collection so far.
Oh wow, he
Get
really
out of
did
the way.
I love how he did the collection. He really did.
This video is a hidden giveaway. We had 2 of the Happy Packs left over. Now it won't have the personal outfits included, but you could get items that we took for people at the doll show. If you leave a comment below and add the word Happy Pack, we will put it in a drawing and one person will win this. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.